Assalamualaikum dan selamat pagi. My name is Nurizana binti Karim. Today I will present about the effect of different amino acid chain foliar fertilizer on yield, fruit quality, short growth, and P and iron, zinc, copper, manganese content of leaf in William Pear cultivar. Introduction. Microelements are generally offer the plant by adding to medium or application to leaf. When they are applied as inorganic cell to the growing medium above pH 6 iron and above pH 7 manganese, copper and zinc have become insoluble forms. So the abs- absorption absorb- absorption by the plant has decreased. Chelates are obtained by the reaction of metallic cell with the synthetic or natural organic complex have saved the metal cati- cat- cations from undesirable reactions such as precipitation. Method. Leaf collected just before the first, second, and the third application from the trees with with a shade with nitric acid and plus per- percolic acid solution and microelement composition were determined by atomic absorption absorption spectrophometer. The total yield was determined by week all fruit of each tree. Trunk cross-section unit area was calculated by measuring of trunk circumference of tree at 15 cm above of grafting point and yield per trunk cross-section unit area was determined by dividing of yield to trunk cross-section area. All harvested fruit was sized based on their diameter into four classes such as above than 6.0 cm class 1, 5.5 until 6.0 cm class 2, 5.4 until 5.0 cm, and discard less than 5.0 cm, and calculated in total fruit amount and percentage of each class. Fruit firmness were measured by pressure tester at a plug with 7.8 millimeter in diameter on 10 fruit sample for 3 lubricant. Total soluble solid were determined with hand refra- refractometer as 3 times for each replicate, and 10 millimeters of fruit juice was titrated with 0.1 and now to a malic acid and point of pH at 0.2 for titrable acidity measurement. The length of 10 shots of each replication were measured and mean shot was calculated as arithmetical. Result and discussion. The table 1 shows the effect of amino acid chelate foliar fertilizer on the yield. The total yield in the first year was higher than other as 1 to 122. In the first year, amino acid chelated zinc gave better result as 0. When the means of 3 years were compared, yield per trunk cross-section unit area were 45, 36, and 30% higher in amino acid chelated iron, zinc, and multi-mineral, respectively, than the control. Differences among treatments were not statistically significant in class 1. Amino acid chelated zinc and iron and zinc caused decrease in fruit ratio in the class 2 in the third year. This chart from this such fruit ratio was decreased by especially amino acid chelated iron in the last year. Table to show the effect of amino acid chelated foliar fertilizer on the fruit in size class. In the total soluble, statistical difference were occurred only among the years. It was higher in 1993 as 12.1% and 1994 as 11.8% then as 11 in the total soluble solid. Statistical difference will occur only among the years. It was higher in 1993 as 12.1% and 1994 as 11.8% than 1992. Similar difference in treatable acidity were significant only among years, and treatable acidity was higher in the first year than the others. The table 3 showed the effect of amino acid chelated foliar fertilizer on the fruit firmness, total soluble solid, and treatable acidity. Differences among years for each treatment were not statistically with significant with the exception of amino acid chelated zinc. Amino acid chelated zinc signification increased zinc content of leaf in all years. Differences among years was found statistically significant with the exception of control, and the higher value were reached by the third year. Table 4 showed the effect of amino acid chelate foliar fertilizer on the iron and zinc content of leaf before third application. As a conclusion, as a result of this research, firstly, iron content of leaf and shoot length followed by yield and fruit quality were improved in amino acid chelate iron and so irregularities such as yellowing, browning, and falling of leaf in early season were seen to higher correct. The use of amino acid chelate is worth of, of further consideration because its beneficial effect on especially iron nutrition. This is exam this a few reference from the article. That's all from me. Thank you.